these bitches hating for 17 and 94. Spitting my lyrics in the bullshit, I ain't trying to hear it. So I clap my hands together, blink twice. Stay hating on me cause they know my shit nice. Ain't nobody rushing me, I'ma make it to the top. Don't need none of y'all, so just stop. Jordans on my feet, money thrown up in the air. I'm a bad bitch, rocking kicks any pair. Lips stay glossy, my outfit so tight. Still healing from your ex, but I'ma make it right. My shit come easy, used to never beat me. I'm a badass, tell them niggas kiss that. Light up the perp like an everyday candle. My ass too much for you to ever handle. Broken beer bottles, my room experience break. Then after party hit like an earthquake. Got that purple everywhere like I'm balling with the Lakers. Rhyme so fast, they call me money maker. Paper chasing money's number one on my mind. Where this little niggas trying to do this, wait, rewind. You wanna be dusty ass D1, chilling with the fakes, cause I'll just sit back and recline. Now I'm famous, got money out the anus. Pull out the iPhone, send me all the playlists. So I've been backwards just like the Matrix. This ain't the circus, got no time for you chicks. Love me or hate me, could really care less. If I answer the answer, then I'ma leave a mess. Take it to the basement, right below my feet. Maria's a bad bitch, that's a good tweet. But I know I got them haters everywhere. Pick them up and toss them, just like Nike Air.